Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to search effectively in Splunk. Searching is the key to quickly finding the data you need and analyzing it efficiently. First, log into your Splunk account using your credentials. Once inside, you'll see the search bar at the top of the dashboard. This is where all your queries start. To perform a basic search, simply type a keyword or phrase related to the events you want to find and press Enter. Splunk will return results from all index data that matches your query. You can refine your search by using filters like time range, source type, or specific fields. For example, selecting the last 24 hours or a particular host can narrow down the results. Splunk also allows the use of search commands to analyze data more deeply. Commands like stats, table, and sort can help summarize, format, and organize your results. Remember, you can always preview events in the results panel to check that you're looking at the correct data before performing further analysis. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can search in Splunk efficiently and make the most of your data. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Splunk tips and tutorials.